defense?
bravely telling that he's in
I don't
India.
know.
I think he's bullshitting.
Yo, guys. My wife told me, right? She give me chapati and her pussy tonight if we get 200 to share.
200 a share. To that.
A very nice girl, very nice.
This Discord is fucking nuts, bro.
Nico, yes, meu cousin woman.
Come on, Jimmy.
200 one time for the boys.
Baby. Send me to the moon. Fuck, it's wrong.
You know the brother that is, sharing the screen? Can you please put some Pornhub or some shit, my brother? Because, some of us are stressing.
That's the second person asking for Pornhub.
Some of us are stressing over here, man. My dick is hard as fuck, man. Come on.
That is the second to request, okay? I cannot
That's
do
the
that.
second dude requesting Pornhub.
What are you doing today?
There is a small chode pattern approaching at the 1 minute charts.
Come on, spatula. Print me some fucking money.
You got some dick in the booty pattern showing on the 5 minute mark.
Guys, you know my cousin, right? My cousin is Bill Gates and Elon Musk, right? Elon Musk, Elon Musk, right? And they tell me, brother, they tell me we together can fight them off, my brother. They're gonna put in £2 million more, brother.
Don't, motherfucker. Don't talk to me.
Yeah, go
Hey,
on.
don't
Go
talk
ahead.
shit.
Ask Elon Musk for subsidies for Jimmy.
Okay, I'll just call Elon Musk right now. Elon Musk.
Level we care about on the downside for support.
Yeah, go ahead, bring him up.
Resistance is
Yeah, okay, I'll just call up my Elon Musk.
These are still the important levels. 136, 135. This trend line.
Hey, who talking, man?
Obviously the.
Hey, who got them talking, fool?
Come on, man. Stop talking, Indian guy. Please, you're interrupting everybody, man.
Sir, please let the technician speak right now.
I am sorry.
The
joke is dead. The joke is dead.
Yeah, the joke is way past
like George Floyd. Oh.
Buy the dip, mother yard.
I'm sorry,
Buy
brother.
the dip.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, I think SNDL is a good buy right now. Anyone else?
No.
Sundial burning motherfuckers like a hot bitch.
Sundial?
Does anyone use the Thinkorswim PC app for trading?
Hello?
Through TD and MaterTrade?
I do.
TOS?
Hello?
Oh, hey, bro.
Damn it.
Damn, 138.
Oh, his phone.
No bueno, guys.
It's dead.
Sundial. Just time to buy.
Holy shit.
Buy the dip.
All right, I brought no money.
Borrow money.
That's a good accent.
Anyone see the E-Trade?
Holy fuck, we cool.
I might be coming back.
Leave 20 minutes
Come on,
and
man,
shit
come
the
on.
bed. What happened?
Hold, bro. All you gotta do is just hold.
It's going so down low. It's going so down low like my balls, man.
My balls.
Like some balls, I know those.
Guys, can someone mute this fucker?
So yeah, bro, we're holding above 200 GME. I'm holding, dude.
I bought in at 292, man. I'm holding this thing.
That's good shit. All right,
See y'all next
you
month.
guys are giving me motivation to hold, so I'm holding.
Oh, man, if you need motivation, I'm holding at 320.
Jeez, how many shares?
You don't have a pop.
5, but...
Jeez.
My guy, don't worry, fam. We're coming up to you, my guy. Fucking hope so, shit.
You're a real diamond hander.
Noon Friday, 800. Let's go.
Give him a badge. Send him a badge.
About 1,000 shares at 400 yesterday. At 40, sorry. How much?
That's cap. Oh,
Did I miss my opportunity to fucking sell?
What did that guy just say?
Wow, nice
I
cock.
missed this opportunity.
It was at 400.
And we can chase our leader.
Fucking GME's at 140. Oh my god.
He's on X Games.
Hey, what's going on GME and AMC?
I'm not really paying attention to AMC, but GME is down from 160, 170.
But is
just gotta hold.
this a spike or what? I mean, like, cause I haven't been watching for about 2 days, and now I'm getting told like that it's boosted back up.
It spiked, but now
Yeah,
it's kind
somebody
of.
put a
It's looking
$10
kind of
million buy order in a second ago.
Right on. I
Guys.
hope we go up, man. I've been holding for a long time, and I wanna go up. Anyways,
Do you guys think it's hitting 200 today?
Hopefully.
Maybe after hours.
Yeah, after hours.
Okay, I'm back. Why is there no monkey noises?
It's still going up. Come on. Gotta hold.
Monkeys don't like red.
What happened to AMC?
Dude, the hype is unreal at 10 a.m. That was unreal.
What happened to AMC? It just went down like
Were
9:35.
any of you guys at the last hour yesterday?
Get fucked. That's what you get fucked.
Oh
Just
yeah.
a bunch of sell orders come in or something.
It was like $50 up until like the power hour.
Yeah, it was $50, and then it went to 91, and they halted it the last 15 minutes, I think.
Right.
And then after hour, in 1 hour, it reached 200, but then it dipped from 200.
I feel better that it didn't get to like 300 today. You know, the fact that it held above 120 is a good sign to me.
Yeah.
Well, the longer it sits here, the more you can count on that group holding.
mean,
What do you guys? I don't know
Yeah,
anything
still up.
about this. I'm just riding the momentum. But what would push it up? That's why I've just been scalping it.
Us
And
buying
then
and buying and buying is what'll push it up.
flew right past 120 after hours yesterday. Like
push right
I don't know.
Exactly.
Yeah,
as long as
the end
it's
of the day.
technically breaks even, or even if it's a little bit higher than when it closed out yesterday, I can't be mad at all, man. Like, listen, the moon is a long flight.
I heard that.
True.
Do you guys have any buy orders at a specific support?
Yeah, 120 for me.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Same. I have 125, but shit.
What is your speculation on why did it break through? Because of they break the resistance at 50, or?
I don't know. I mean, I haven't been trading long enough to give a real answer. I could pull out speculation, but that just be me bullshitting. I'm just as curious.
Where's that?
I will
Cohen
say that
tweet?
all of my GME gains have been completely offset by Tesla shitting in bed today.
Bruh, same.
So I'm like
Fuck
broke
Tesla, I'm
even.
all in
Push me
GME.
there, but I'm already down.
Hey, at least you broke even. I'm fucking 3K in the hole on Tesla.
Ooh. I was tempted too. I was like, shit, it's like below 700. I should just buy more.
My friend on Tesla is down 30K.
Jesus,
We'll get that
though.
back. That's easy.
How?
Unless he did options.
You would buy a bunch more.
Oh no, shares.
Tes-
Shares. These are
Oh,
shares.
he's
We're
good to
down
go.
30K and I'm
Oh,
down 3K.
Yeah, he can
Yeah,
just
he's
write
good
it
to
out.
go.
Tesla's the only company I know that trades, you know, in 600 to 700s, but every week it drops and goes up 100. Like, that's volatile as shit. Apple's more consistent than Tesla.
That shit shouldn't happen to a SP 500 company, man.
It's a
That's
good weekly play.
Yeah, no, that would never happen to a spy company.
Yeah, but you only get 8
Like,
returns on that.
Tesla's a really good multi-week intraday play.
Even though it's a big company, it's just overhyped still.
Yeah, that's why you buy.
Speaking of EV, does anyone have a recommendation for a good nickel mining company I can eye up? Something relatively cheap.
Nickelback.
Nickel mining, like nickel for the batteries that EVs use.
I would like to reveal you something.
I have a pocket full of nickels. Do you want some?
Not immediately, no. Thank you, though.
Maybe check who's operating out of like Sudbury, Ontario. I know that's a big nickel town. That's like a company town for that kind of thing.
Southern Ontario, Canada?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you.
NAK is constantly shitting the bed.
Aerotime Technology is also a good stock for nickel.
I know it used to be called Inco, but it got bought out by some Brazilian company, so I don't know who it is anymore.
A Canadian company got bought out by a Brazilian company. You don't hear that shit every day.
Oh, dude, all of our good businesses got bought out.
Wasn't AMC like $11 just like 30 minutes ago, or am I tripping?
No, it wasn't 11. It was like at 10. I think earlier. I
Blackberry.
don't think it hit 11 today.
yesterday.
Blackberry's at 11.
Watch it do the same
With
crap
AMC's
like
like nutty
yesterday.
volume, how is it not flying up?
Can I ask question?
It's because they're suppressing it right now. They're just trading in between the two.
Apparently the volume is incorrect.
Or volume is buy and sell, right?
Can I ask the question?
Please.
I want to buy from Tesla.
Do it. This is a good time. Tesla's dipping. It's our sell.
Yep.
How much it will be cost?
Tesla, I think what is it right now? A share.
I wish it was
The 702.
702.
like yesterday. It might dip again tomorrow.
It
though.
was $6.99 the other day.
It was 6.25 2 days ago.
If
Yeah.
it dips again tomorrow, man, I'm crying myself to sleep.
There's a high chance it might. But the entire market is like that. Does anybody have the report from ARK? What they bought?
Oh yeah, Kathy Woods like doubled down on Tesla during that dip on Monday.
And
Is there
think
anyone
target,
holding any ARC?
Yeah, unfortunately, 200 shares of ARC cash.
What did you buy ARC at?
ARC G.
she's being targeted by those fucking short sellers.
I want to ask
Yeah.
She's
being targeted because she's a woman.
Yo,
More importantly, they just
She's
don't like the
hot.
fact that a woman is financially competent.
I bought it at 152.
which
Oh.
application do you trade?
Which what?
Application app.
I use TD Ameritrade's Think or Swim, the mobile app.
Oh, thanks.
I gotta say, Questrade never limited me on GME or AMC or anything.
Nice.
Although I'm broke, so I can only afford one GME at like 220 or something. I'm still holding it for what it's worth.
Good.
One is better than none.
That's all I feel, man. If you bought during the
I'm with
last
you at
GME
one.
squeeze like above 200, you might as well just hold. At least wait to break
Yeah,
even.
Or buy. If you
yeah.
should have bought
I might get out of that. Yeah, I should have.
So you would have broke it out even if you could have maybe, but you wouldn't have known. You wouldn't have known.
Yeah,
I made
honestly,
$300
I didn't know about
today.
averaging down until like people bought it up to me. I was like, yeah, it does kind of make sense. If I got enough money to fucking spend.
Just for the memes, I bought it at $40. Now it's up by 5 times. It's down
Nice.
up by 4
Oh,
times
nice.
actually.
Do you guys
But
think it's gonna go up?
it was up 5 times at one point.
I think it'll go up tomorrow. I can't say how much. Like, it doesn't
go
make
up
sense
later.
that it doesn't make sense that it went up at all without like spiking and squeezing. So to me, that's good news.
I think it's gonna go up in after hours. Like they're gonna cover a bunch of it in after hours.
Yeah, I mean, like around
Try
3
some
o'clock
sketchy
yesterday,
shit.
it went up from like 40 to 189 in
Yeah,
a very
they
short
knew
time.
what they were doing because it would just get a
You think it's gonna happen again?
Yeah.
Upon some research,
chance.
even the $800 call went up to $20 a contract at one point.
شو بصوتكم غليظ؟
You can sell after hours, man. I might
Yeah,
let
I
one of
never
mine
knew
go
that.
just so I break even what I paid for, and then hold it. Well, it's only limit orders. You can't do market orders after hours.
Oh, that
Obviously.
makes sense.
Last question. I want to download the app. What's its name?
I think you should honestly, if you're brand new, Thinkorswim took a while for me to understand. It's kind of overwhelming. You can just use TD Ameritrade's.
What's the
it's
application
like-
you do you use in the
You should
trade?
use Fidelity. Use Fidelity.
Yeah, use Fidelity.
What?
I use Thinkorswim, but I don't recommend it for everyone. Use Fidelity.
Adobe?
It's user friendly.
Fidelity is
Like
my
you're able
favorite
to.
site.
It's good trust.
Adobe?
Question: where are you from, though?
Getting personal.
Mexico.
No, he's not Mexican.
Sweden. Like I switched from Robinhood to Fidelity.
Fidelity.
Yo, there is a lot of
Yo, 130. This shit is sinking in front of our face.
Broke 130.
I thought I bought at the dip. I didn't. Clearly.
Are we dying?
GameStop.
Looks like we're going up.
Oh no, AMC's like crashing right now.
I thought I bought the dip.
Fuck.
I'm buying back in
Hold the
AMC.
line.
Fuck it.
Hold the line.
I'm fucking holding, dude.
After lunch hour,
Yo,
people are
I'm
coming
like
back in.
negative 40%, dude.
Holy shit. This is where
I'm down
we
fit.
That dip is harsh.
I was thinking like,
Oh!
Dump it again.
Who's clenching up? Who's clenching up? I'm clenching up.
Oh god, AMC is fucking tanking.
Dump it.
Oh,
I'm holding.
shit.
Just hold.
Take
out the paper
hand.
Everybody liquidate everything. We're done.
No, it's bouncing up and down.
yeah,
I bought a
would I
dog
be
did
I bought a little
stupid? Would I be stupid to put a $10 limit
wild
and get my
call.
money back on AMC, or should I hold?
GME.
It's not stupid to get your money back
GME.
if you break even.
You're gonna lose all your
$5 call.
Yeah,
Only lose
I'd
when you
break
sell.
even
Remember
pretty much.
that.
If you break even completely, just get out, and if you want to get back in, it'll probably dip.
Yeah.
Always get back in at the dip. Way less than what you spend.
If it would have hit 200, I would have made some money.
That taper hand, diamond hand shit is more for morale. Like, I'm not paying your bills and you're not paying mine. You gotta take care of yourself.
Yeah, if I can sell at about 10, I make like a few cents profit a share, and that's good enough for me.
I'm very surprised people are being level-headed right now. This is so weird.
Unusual for this community.
I'm personally buying back in at AMC at $8.
People are just broke, man. That's why they're being more sensible.
GME. All your money.
Yeah, I don't have any diamond
GME
hands. I just like to scalp. You know what I'm saying?
This was just a scheme to make us all play by fundamentals and be participants.
3 p.m.
Hey, so is everyone just selling right now?
I ain't selling shit.
I think the dip is scaring people. I don't think it's selling.
Nah, bro, I'm holding. Literally holding.
I actually
but why is it?
got back in.
If you need to sell,
Why is it going down so
I have no
hard?
idea. There's no reason
There
why
are
it's
cells
down.
going down. The
Bro, I'm
cells
like deep
are
fucking
happening.
value right now.
Cells are happening. That's what's going on.
Not that many.
I'm the guy that
stand by my word.
20.
Not a lot of
It breaks
volume.
my fucking heart to see people selling it. So stop.
But without selling,
Dude, we're at only 400 available stocks short for AMC, and it's at a fee of 5.8.
that's that's just the
AMC
available
isn't really
short
as heavily shorted as JMA.
shares
Yeah,
floating
AMC.
on
Volume
that.
for why it went down.
Gotta have patience. Just hold Jimmy.
Look at the volume.
AMC's like AMC's riding JME's orbit, kind of. So whatever it does,
Does
do.
anyone here need access to the stream that can't get access to it?
So I'm going down
I
with you
can't seem to
guys.
get in.
Is what it is.
So
if you
is
send
this
me-
the
if you
same
send me a
correlation
DM
on
if you
GME
send me a
as
DM, I can help
Bitcoin
you out.
and as AMC as Dogecoin?
You said DM you?
Yeah, just DM me. I'll send you a link. I'm also streaming on Twitch. I've done this before to help people out.
Whoever asked the Bitcoin Dogecoin correlation, it's more like JME is Bitcoin and AMC is like Ethereum. Like it's not a complete joke, but it's just trending with the bigger commodity.
And also
I got
similarly
it.
to both of them, I wish I had gotten in far earlier.
You had to get in on Wednesday. That's when you had to get in. At the latest.
I had to get in November last year.
That works too.
I had no idea.
How long does it take to get a trade? If you do a trade to get the money back available to buy the dip?
It should be instant. Yeah.
Thanks.
Oh, okay.
Respect to anybody holding from 200.
It kind of depends on the application because sometimes the server might
Are
lag.
you on a margin account?
Yeah.
Or a cash account?
Wait or something.
If you're on a cash account, it's 3 days.
Oh man.
If you sell, you got paper hands.
2 days.
GSAT's on sale. GSAT's on sale.
Everything is on sale except meme stocks, man.
No penny stocks, man.
What do you guys think about Riot?
Oh, about GSAT, did they miss their earnings today?
Oh, riot!
I'm actually asking, did they miss their earnings today?
I'm not sure. Let me see. Let me look it up.
No idea.
Wasn't it gonna be today?
Later.
Yo, I got the
Supposed to be seen out of
$800.
localist today.
Oh, looks like your GME dip is getting bought back up.
I mean, to be honest, this is what happened yesterday, and then it just went like a rocket.
Yeah, this is bullshit volume.
So we just gotta start saying it's over, right?
Well,
Yeah,
I
that
think
was
it's
bad.
gonna.
It's
I think
over,
it's
it's
gonna.
over, it's
Something's
over.
happening around 3 o'clock. That's definitely what's gonna happen.
Yeah, I can't.
That
either
was a
tanks
dip
or
just now to
skyrockets.
buy in. It was like at
Tanks or it goes
125
up,
or some
it's
shit.
either.
Fuck, man. I hope this doesn't fucking tank, dude.
Yeah, get me a fucking Lambo,
I
man.
actually bought in at one.
Huh?
Wait, what's my shit? 131. Yeah.
I really can't afford for this.
I want to make a bag off this shit.
Early today in the morning, he tanked the fuck down, right, in the beginning, right?
If you hold the entire bag, there's nothing
He
left for
tanked
the
the
big
fuck
guy.
down. And he's tanking the fuck down now as well. But what happened in the morning? It went back up.
Yeah, just hold, just hold.
So just hold,
Yeah,
boys.
just give it time.
Keep your feet on the ground.
Do I buy AMC?
I thought we were panic selling.
Technically on the dip, but it's up to you.
Because this dip
Dump
is
it.
rather small compared to
I say we pay attention in 30 minutes because we're like 30 minutes off from the power hour. That's when I'm expecting to see some traction.
It's also when the day traders pull out.
It's gonna fucking do.
Is there gonna be
Power
another
hour,
spike
baby.
by the end of the
Get
day?
that
You
chip
guys think?
dip.
I mean, that's what
In
happened
my
yesterday. It
personal
went
opinion,
like
I
a
think
rocket
this is a
at 3 o'clock
discount.
yesterday.
Yeah.
All the
Because
day
always
traders
a
getting
dip
busy.
before the rise.
But like, be careful
Yeah, they're
with
probably happy right
with
now.
the price dropping in
Always
the
a dip
morning.
before the
That's
rise.
like there's everyday up and dip, and then
It'll be in the
also
Monday.
like if you're missing the after hours trading, then it looks on your chart. I mean, you know, like you're sure on that?
Mm-hmm.
Is that taken into account? Maybe it is. Then fine.
We definitely hit peak today, though, right?
Oh, the bully, man.
I don't think so.
It might be today's peak, but I don't think it's the weekend's peak.
Yeah, we still got Friday.
Yeah, still got power hour.
No one said
I don't think this was today's peak because it kind of dropped off after like 9-10 o'clock and it kept dipping. It didn't dip hard because it's still at like above 130. But I
like
don't
a
see a
little
peak on
bunny
the
hop.
chart. Yeah.
But that's good. Bunny hops are good because it means you can go either way.
I'm cool with GME doing this every couple of weeks. You know, like the squeeze never happens, but every 2 weeks
Yeah,
it
dude,
goes
that'd
up
be great.
100 and then drops. I'll
Well, that
scalp it.
might change after March. March is the next quarterly earnings report.
Those are gonna be shit.
Oh,
Look
it's
it
gonna
up,
be
boys.
shit.
I
Absolutely.
140, boys.
There's
I told you so.
I'm willing to bet that they sold after
I told
assets.
you so.
Well, one thesis for this action might be that at the end of the month, the hedge funds have to decide if they want to continue to keep their shorts or to close their positions, which might be also covered ones. That is just one thesis. I don't know if that's, but people on this Discord, you know, discussed that several times, and then then it depends if you believe if there's another one at end of March or not, right? If you believed that there would be one end of February or not, right?
My thesis is if you have a foreign accent, your IQ is naturally at least 20 points higher than the average American. That's just a fact.
True. Does a Canadian accent count?
I think that means your teeth are 20%.
I think that means
Canadian
you have
doesn't
lower
count 'cause
IQ
you're still
than.
next to us. That means you're as equally stupid. So unless you're from like Europe or something, you know.
I can confirm Canadians aren't that bright.
I'm from Europe and I approve this message.
I can confirm.
I
Higher
approve
bag,
this
there's
message
nothing
too.
left for the big guy.
Exactly.
Nothing left for the big guy.
AMC broke 9, so that's good.
Oh, thank goodness.
$400 up on GME, DSL.
Sorry to
Just
everyone.
put a limit order if you want to sell.
This is going up.
Let me say I am up a massive amount on calls I bought on Wednesday.
I bet.
Good for you, buddy.
Everyone else fucking glued.
How much are you up?
Wasn't there a
I
point
never
that,
sold on last month's peak, so I'm holding from like fucking. Let me see.
Look at that.
I bought in at
Like
120 from the
DFV.
last squeeze, so.
Bought at 1836 in January.
Yeah.
The guy with the calls, how much did you make when you bought calls on Wednesday?
I bought $50 calls for $2.50, and they are, I think it's worth like 12,000 right now.
Wow, nice.
How many contracts?
Convert it to shares.
Per contract is trading like 115 right now, so 11,500 or so.
Nice. Good job, man.
All right. I just I made another 2,500 on that dip on GME because I waited till 30 and then I sold 5 contracts. I sold 5 cash secured puts and I just closed them just now. About to close.
Nice.
So I had 44 shares of GME and then I sold it around 170 and then I just said but I sold contracts, cash secured puts at 144 and sold at 180, about to close, and that netted me $5,000. And then I did another one when it went to 130 just now, and I opened 5 more, and then I bought to close just now. But I'm just putting, yeah.
Good job, man.
Come on,
rise from the dead.
Oh no.
I love scalping.
On Thinkorswim mobile, when I go to a GME or an AMC call option, because I've tried for both of them, the premiums are like really stupid, and for the max profit, it's like 1.5 my position. Usually the max profit is infinite.
Oops.
Volume for AMC is 370 million now. Holy crap.
Damn.
Nice.
Someone was saying that the volume for that is not correct though. Like,
How so?
It's not like it's not 339. It's supposed
Someone
to be
said
higher.
that earlier.
The whole market, no?
I'm just glad that both of them are starting to bounce back.
Somewhat.
Where we at?
GME
49.
9. It's still 9, and then 148 for GME. So
GME will close day high, or I will lick a fucking toilet.
good on the GME.
On camera.
They don't
We
call
dare
it
you.
power
Better be on
hour for
camera.
We dare
nothing.
you.
Power fucking hour.
I mean, like, imagine if the power hour has like the same impact as from yesterday. So, like, imagine the percentage of units after close would be like 125%.
I'm not gonna lie. If AMC does a run up for the power hour, I'm getting out because I don't like what I saw today. But I'll buy back in at tomorrow's dip.
Yeah.
I'm starting to think I'm gonna do the same.
Like,
Like I want to hold, but it's like I gotta make something because it was too dicey today.
Well, we know what's going on.
G and me, I'm holding, but AMC.
Kitty's
no.
pulling out his shares. He just obviously he doubled down. Now he's pulling out. Fuck it.
So DFE sold.
Kitty sold?
Did you say DFE sold?
Where did he sell?
He's
Did
not
you say
gonna
he
fucking
sold?
tell you.
He's not gonna sell.
Then why do you think he pulled out?
He's a suit.
Why does it matter?
If you think the fucking Valley pulled out, dude, are you dumb? If he pulls out, he will have
No, I'm
huge
sure.
problems.
I'm sure he
Huge problems in
secured
the
some profit. He's got like a wife and kids.
I can't
He has
Okay.
He has millions of cash from the first wave, dude.
He had like 50 waves.
And if
He
he pulls out
sold
now, he's gonna
some.
have so
He
much
will-
trouble in court.
He sold like 2 million
So if you
worth.
think you pulled out now, you're stupid.
Yeah.
dude.
He's not gonna sell. when
He's
the
just
whole
playing
world's-
He already pulled out, and I think he doubled down before or after that congressional hearing.
To be
Yeah,
honest,
but some, and he might sell some more, and he might always keep some, right? And even to avoid any
Dude,
kind
he's-
of
yeah.
allegations or trouble with like angry people.
Yeah, you don't
Yeah.
want to liquidate anyway because it becomes a fucking tax nightmare. So you just keep some in there and you pull it out as you go.
Honestly,
Well, I mean,
I just love that Wall Street Bets treats DFV's position like the CEO of a company. Like when the CEO sells, shit's going bad.
Fuck, at this point, he might own majority of fucking GME.
So
No.
he needs to close
Actually,
out, of course,
the hedges do.
Dude, I'm not even surprised he pulled out because, like 5 days ago, if you watch his Reddit, he has $4 million in GME shares. So if he sells it at 150, he has made like $8 million.
dude, your mic is horrible.
Sell. He's not gonna sell.
It's like the what?
Jesus.
Are you in a wind tunnel, man? You okay?
Doctor? Miroku over here.
Like it was actually Fidelity that was one of the top shareholders. GME.
Fidelity, the brokerage.
Bukaki.
Oh my god, why are you in the stream?
I got disconnected. I don't know. That was weird. Super weird. But I'm back. Don't worry, baby.
Hey.
That way you can watch your losses and see.
High quality.
I like that.
High quality loss farm.
Something better than high quality losses.
Knock that shit off.
Quit it. For real. I'm gonna follow you on Twitch right now.
Someone fucking mute him.
I appreciate it.
Is your mic
have to, man.
in your left nostril?
I think it was XIMARIF.
ASMR.
Yeah.
If you're gonna mic spam, at least play
Yeah.
like something funny.
Or at least
Right.
do something funny.
Do like a soundboard or something.
Yeah.
Did you guys mute him or do I have to do it myself?
Actually, some familiar names are Maverick, BlackRock, and
Is someone screaming?
Monkey
What the
sounds.
fuck
Yes,
is that?
that's more appropriate.
Monkey sound.
Fuck, I thought that was coming from outside.
Monkey business.
Yeah, that got me good.
Hey, that's me of your shooter.
Hey, welcome to the stream. Nice user.
Okay, he's watching memes.
What are your thoughts on Tesla?
They need to get their shit together because I'm hurting.
This is a
But I'm holding.
He said they need to get their
Dump
shit
it all,
together.
buy Ford.
I mean, I had Tesla before the stock split.
Gross.
Living pretty well right now.
I regret not getting Tesla last year.
I got them at
regret just
450
waiting
before
so
the
long, man.
before the stock split.
I got them before the stock split, but I literally got them like a week before the stock split. I think I paid like $1,200 for like a single share or some stupid shit.
At least you got in on it.
Yeah, they gave me 5 shares. Thank you, Tesla.
Fucking March of last year was only $100. That's crazy.
Dude, can
Dang.
you imagine if you're the guy that dropped 2K on Tesla in like 2014?
Wait, hold up. Yo, when you bought it before the split, yo, you probably felt the pain for a month because that shit dropped, huh?
I did, and my friend, she's been holding Tesla for years. She's like, get it now, and I think like 3 weeks before the split, it was at like 700. I was like, no, I'm gonna wait until I get paid again. And when I got paid again, it jumped up to like 1,200. I like just panic bought, and then it watched that shit dip for a week after the split.
Yeah, that shit was painful, dog. I was there.
I had 40K invested into Tesla before the split, and I took it out.
Nice.
Can I ask question?
No, go fuck yourself.
Yeah.
No, why?
Who the fuck's bootstrap to the fucking hell?
Cause I'm gonna bang your mom.
Damn, bro, that shit hurt his soul. He got quiet.
You guys think about
When's the next
Blockbuster?
hearing?
His voice probably went up 2
If
octaves.
Someone said Blockbuster?
Oh yeah.
Did someone say that
Blockbuster to the moon, bro.
Blockbusters is the ticker's like Blockbuster Liquidating Group now. It's just like the company handling their foreclosed assets. I wouldn't trade that.
Yo, just a second. If I want to buy a arch from Tesla, how much it will be cost?
A what?
An arch from Tesla?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know. Anyone know?
How much the?
Minus 21 minutes for power hour.
How much I will
Over
achieve from it?
155.
I don't know what an arch is, buddy. Are you asking how much profit you make if you buy an arch from Tesla now?
If I want to buy in $1 million.
What's an arch?
I can't tell you what Tesla will do.
To the
No, the guy's here asking
Do you want a
if you should buy an arch in Tesla.
Yo, if Kathy Woods, legend.
Everyone's predictions on the power hour, Jimmy.
9,000.
I think After Hours is going to kill it, whatever happens in Power Hour.
$1 million in GME would be great.
Power hour. I'm setting a sell limit for AMC after hours. Fuck it, baby. Let's gamble.
AMC's acting like a little bitch right now, man.
It is. It is. Thank you.
It is one.
What did you guys get AMC at?
$3.
I bought it at $10.
I'm gonna
bought
talk
it at $7.40.
Like 1070.
Good.
Oh, you're good, man. You can write this
My mate's
out.
done 8K.
I'm just sitting on 100 shares, and I'm hoping that it jumps to 15. I'd be super happy.
Bro, if it jumps to 15, I'd fucking like it.
Oh!
You wouldn't want to sell some calls with those 100 shares?
I could, but honestly, I'm still learning this.
I'd rather only sell.
Yeah, I feel you, yeah.
Don't want to play with something I don't know yet.
Smart.
Smart.
Losing money right now. You play with women?
If you ever are curious about selling covered calls, just send me a PM. Like there's a way you can do it that, you know, if you put a realistic strike and if you're okay with letting go of your shares, you kind of can't lose.
Alright, I'll send you a PM right now just so I can get you on that.
Strategy, baby.
Do you sell weeklies or what do you sell?
Portfolio, bro.
For the cover calls, I would sell monthlies, and I would put it at a strike that, you know, if I don't want to let go of the stock, I don't think that it's going to hit that price. If I want to make some money and maybe I want to sell the stock, I would sell it at a strike that's kind of closer into the money. At worst, you get back your premium. You know, if it expires loose, you get to keep all your shares. If it expires in the money, you gotta let those shares go, but you still keep that premium. Calls. I don't even short. Like, I don't even short shares. I'm so terrified of puts, shorting, all that shit. Infinite loss doesn't seem appealing to me.
If you buy a put,
I've shorted.
Puts don't have
gives you-
infinite loss.
Yeah, they
if you
put
buy a
some
put,
infinite
you
loss.
buy a call, you lose your initial investment.
The thing is with puts and shorts, you don't have an infinite return, right? It's a predetermined return. It can only go to zero.
If you buy a put,
Don't buy a put. I did that on housing, and I actually ended up losing money because
I'm pretty sure it's not infinite loss, but if you buy a put and the stock keeps going up, you'll get a margin call.
No,
Always lose.
you can only use your
Yeah, that's not how
premium.
that works. Not how that works.
Yeah.
Only lose your initial.
Yeah, you
this
only
guy's
lose your
sniffing his
premium.
keyboard.
Might be.
Hold on. What'd you say? You said you don't lose your premium if you buy a put?
You only
No, I
lose your
said
premium.
you can only. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, you only lose your premium.
If you
So,
sell
day
a
of
put,
expiration.
that's a different thing.
Yeah, selling put and the stock price goes up, then you have to, or it goes down, you have to buy all those shares at a loss.
Holy.
Selling calls has an infinite loss theoretically because the stock could fucking skyrocket, and then you only
That's
get your
not a
premium that you got
loss.
out of
That's
it.
just like
It's not a loss. Yeah, I
that's
agree.
like
But
you didn't get as
theoretical.
much profit as you could have gotten.
Hey,
Yeah,
yo, I
opportunity
got a
loss.
question. How bad?
Yo,
How
is that
bad is the
VFD?
COVID test? I'm about to get a COVID test in like 30.
Bro, they
like
It's not
dig
bad
your
at all.
fucking
minutes.
Hey,
They
wait,
put
wait,
the
wait, hold on,
Q-tip up your nose.
hold on.
That
Hey,
was
right between your nostrils.
Bro,
Not that
I
bad.
no, don't
It
tell me that.
depends.
I'm about to
It
get one
depends.
right
We're
gonna
on-
lobotomize you.
I did a COVID test and I lost half my broken brain cells, bro.
It depends on the test that you're going to get.
I got a
you're
COVID
going
test
to
and started
get
buying
True.
GME.
anal one.
Yeah.
I got a prostate
Hey, just make sure
cancer.
they do the test right, so that way they don't have to do it twice.
I hear you get
No
really good
medical.
cell
Bro,
phone
thanks
reception.
for fucking making me scared. Shit, I'll
It's
let you guys know how it
not that
goes.
bad.
Hey,
It's
yo, who's a
not.
shotty in the chat, man?
I
Hey,
got a
yo,
COVID test one
Hey,
time,
who's a
and the
shotty in
nurse
the
just
chat?
drops my sample on the
Hey,
ground,
who's this?
and she
Don't
had
fucking be
we
that
just
guy.
looked at each other, and we just looked at each other, and we were like, "Oh fuck!" Now I had to take the test again. Fuck.
Oh wow. That's
So
like
who's
human
a
error.
shotty in the chat, guys? I want to slide into DMs or some shit.
It's me, baby. Send me a message.
I got you, baby.
So to be realistic with you, so I've had both COVID tests. I've had the quick one, and I've had the one
where
where
they
they
insert a
where
swab
they
in there.
where they
Wrap
shove
around.
the swab deep into your sinus cavity.
I've had the anal one.
So the one that they shove like all the way up into your face, I bled like a stuck pig. Like it sucked ass and it hurt.
My
It hurt a
uncle
lot.
done a test on me. My uncle done a COVID test on me, and he shoved his dick up my ass. He said that's how you test it and shit.
Will you shut the fuck up?
I don't know if that's the right way.
I'm trying to actually inform this guy.
15
Okay,
minutes.
but the quick and easy test, I get one of those twice a week for work. Okay, and so you insert the swab like an inch into your sinus cavity, and the most that it'll do is like make you sneeze. So it just depends on which one you're getting.
Okay.
If you
They're
go,
installing nanobots in our brains.
I'm getting the one that's about to go like all the way up into my nose.
that one's gonna hurt
You
like
know.
a bitch, and tell whoever it is that's gonna do it
sure.
to you to just shove that bitch in there and get it done with,
Yeah.
because it fucking
This guy said he from failure,
man.
dude. Don't listen to him.
Alright. I'll
Look,
let you
hey,
guys
Buddy,
know
the
how it
Q-tip
goes.
test.
It's not a lingering
Just
pain.
ask
It's
them,
just really
hey,
uncomfortable.
just do it
When it's done,
yourself.
it's done.
Ask them, yo, could I hold the Q-tip myself? And most likely they'll say yes, and you can just do it yourself, dude. There's no, you don't have to let someone reach up that far.
hold a Q-tip yourself.
get like
I
a
might
nasal,
ask him if
get
I
like
can
a
do that.
saline
Shit.
nasal
Bro,
spray to
just
make
do
it
fucking
easier.
cocaine.
Yeah, no. Every time I've done the COVID
Bro,
test, I've
I'm
done it
like
myself.
sitting in
Like,
the
I always ask, I don't
drive-through
want that
waiting.
shit.
Like I'm second up. I'm next person to go up to drive
That's
up, and they're just gonna
disgusting.
put it up my nose.
COVID in here?
And
Hey, you
there's
know what?
there's
You
two
gotta
tests
break
that I
the
know
ice.
so far.
I
There's the
definitely
Listen.
Q-tip
have
one,
it.
and then
Like,
there's
I'm
the blood
90%
test.
sure I have
The
it.
blood test hurts so much worse. It's like a diabetes test.
You gotta
don't even
you
want
gotta
that
break the ice. When they bring out the Q-tip and they come in your nose, you're like, "Hey doc, you buy any GME?"
Ask them if they could do it anal.
I'm gonna ask her that.
Ask him
first
if
thing.
he's
I'm
gonna
be
wine
like,
and dine you
AMC or
before he fucks you
GME?
up the
I say we
nose.
you just snort cocaine before you take the test and numb your nose.
I say we all sell GME.
Somebody
Yeah, he's
assumes
uncle.
everybody has
Go bump
access
his
to good
honor.
cocaine.
All right, I think I gotta call these people because I'm up now, and this lady won't fucking come out. So I'll let you know how it is in a minute. I'll be back.
Are you calling your broker? What a boomer.
Look.
Oh, he's getting the test right now.
Good luck getting a hold of a broker. I'm still on hold.
Yo, what's going on right now?
Look at CDXC.
We're waiting
GME
for
at
solid
140,
Is
AMC
updating
at
my
89.
Wendy's resume application.
Ombudsman.
Is this a I think we're just gonna submit a group resume after all this.
Right.
Qualifications include.
Is this a ladder attack?
Guys,
No.
do you think it will go up in the after hours?
I hope.
Yes,
It
Oh,
did
yeah.
yesterday.
but it will not be to. It's not gonna help any of you if it goes up in the after hours unless like you're selling the after hours.
Well, in trading 2 and
Who
2,
doesn't
there
do
is an
after hours?
option like CTC, like You can make an
Robin
order.
Hood kids.
I mean, this
fuck
whole pump has
You
been
trade
has
on
been
Robinhood.
shorts closing their position. You guys do understand that, right?
You can
No.
confirm
Yeah.
that now.
This is essentially like it's another like gamma squeeze. Okay, so essentially like everybody keeps on talking about like, oh, it's gonna go to 100K or some bullshit like that. Like, nah, bro, nah.
So
it's
can you
not
explain
gonna
to me
happen.
gamma squeeze? Because
This is more probable than them letting the price jump up to $400
like
again.
a
It's
gamma
like
squeeze would be like shorts closing their position before their shorts actually come to close. Okay.
But isn't it through selling calls like credit spreads on it, or how does it work exactly? Because I thought it was through credit spreads mostly.
Squeeze is when the market makers has to buy the underlying shares of the options he's selling. You see all the options you have in front of you? That ain't other people. That's a market maker. So if a bunch of retards buy that shit and the price goes and he doesn't have the shares, he's gonna go into the market, buy that shit, and pump up the price. That's a gamma squeeze.
yeah.
He's gonna
Because
buy it
they're all
at
trying to
market.
close their positions out at the same time, it makes the price raise naturally.
Okay, makes sense.
But
Yo,
I
we hitting
also
200
agree
today
that
or what?
if it does this
No.
for like the next 3 days, where it goes up and goes down, goes up and go down, they can still close out as many positions. It's the difference between like popping a bubble and just letting some pressure out.
Exactly.
Okay, so this option that I told you about, GTC, it's like a good thing, good till cancelled. It's when you make a market offer. So if I do this, can it be executed in the after hours?
No, you can't do options in the after hours.
No. It's not an option. It's when I get like right now my market order, I can have like a limit at a specific
Oh,
price.
I'm sorry. When you said
right?
execute, I thought you were talking. Yeah, okay. So you can set a limit order now, and you go down to TIF, the TIF, that's time and force, and change it from day to EXT G to G. That means like good to close and extended hours.
Okay. So it does if it reaches the specific price that I ordered.
Yeah, you get your fill in the after
that's
hours.
perfect. Thank you.
So I sell.
Okay, so
I
I
sell.
I have limited about 300. Does it seem fair?
I don't think that personally. I don't think that's realistic. I think you should gauge on like how much it's gone up yesterday and the last time. If I was gonna sell after hours, I'd do like 250, and that's hopeful. I think it might be 200 again in the after hours, but not 300. Absolutely not.
Yeah, I was about 250.
I think you'll be lucky to hit like 170 and after.
We're at
hours.
1,000 guys.
That 300 is not realistic in the after hours.
Oh.
When did you buy? What price did you buy in?
Me?
The guy who was asking about selling in the after hour.
Like an hour ago.
You bought in at 148.
Yeah, because
you should. What's your position? If you don't mind, how many shares do you have?
3.
Maybe sell off 2 at like 225, 250 after hours if that gets met, so you can make back whatever you paid in, and then just ride out the last one and see how high it goes.
Yeah, I did the same thing. Like I left one at 300, and then the other 2 I put them at 230.
I just think 300. We'll see. I don't know that 300 is realistic.
Yeah. I hope so, but I'll see till the market is going to close.
Right.
I started a prediction on my stream for end of day price for GME.
Is that before or
Hey,
after?
GME's starting to climb again,
That's
guys.
a good idea.
What do you guys think? Above 170 or below 170 end of day?
I think above.
After hours?
Like
With after.
Below.
GME 150 climbing.
No, yeah, we hit 180 by
If
close.
it
Bro,
closes,
did you guys
if
buy,
it closes at like
buy the dip,
160,
guys?
170,
Did you buy the dip?
then I'll eat my
bought the
words
dip.
about the after hours.
Wait, what was the
Oh
previous
my-
close?
Previous close was
91 during
It was
dinner.
91, man.
GME
And then
91.
what was the high on the after
It
hour?
reached 200.
200.
168.
200
It reached
after
200.
hours.
I thought
Like,
it was
it
168.
reached 200
Yeah.
and then it instantly dipped.
Yeah.
I definitely not gonna be over 170.
What was the
Maybe at 170.
Yeah.
Let me put it this way:
I think the
if it
first day
closes
was like
today above
hype.
180, I will eat my entire fucking pair of jeans that I'm wearing right now.
I'll have your shirt.
That better be some tasty fucking
Bro,
denim.
Miguel, all I hear from you is
Wizards,
cap.
Peru for Insta ban. Peru for
Said that.
current ban.
Cap.
Wait, if I
Proof
can't
or
trade on
current ban.
after hours, should I sell before?
I think you should just sell all now.
No,
No,
don't
just
sell,
wait
dude.
till tomorrow. Unless you can sell at a profit, just wait till tomorrow because we'll see some action on
I
Friday.
mean, like, I bought 13 shares at 45, so...
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Well,
don't
make some
sell.
money back today and then ride off some tomorrow.
I bought
So,
30
if you
shares at
sell now, I will
$100.
call and spank you, dude.
What do you guys
Don't
do?
listen to that paper hand, diamond hand shit. If you bought that low, take some profit now because we don't know how long this will last.
Yeah, like, the thing is
It's
that
over.
I sold everything at 137. I don't know why, but I saw it increase in price. I bought 9 shares at 155, so if it closes...
Oh
if
my
it's like
goodness, dude.
180 before...
You bought at 155, buddy?
Yeah,
Are you
I'm
dumb,
retarded.
dude?
You belong here.
I bought it
Are you dumb?
175. What do you mean?
Yo, so
That's
was
the most
anyone in the Hoku chat over the weekend? There was this guy on there. He was bragging. He's like, "Yeah, during the last squeeze, I bought at the dip, 380," and everyone's like, "Whoa.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Whoa.
Weird.
That's not the dip. That's the cliff, homie."
Yeah. Stop.
I
Stop.
tried to. Bro, there's a clip with a slope,
Yeah,
dog.
I sold that.
Yeah, I waited for GME to stabilize for like 4 or 5 days before buying, which was like at 45.
That was smart. I ran after the greed. I was like, "Oh shit, it's not at $40 anymore. Now it's at $80."
I got a guy I work with that's excited that he bought $40 worth last night in a fractional share of GME.
Good for him, man.
Nice. Did you guys see Kramer on CNBC telling everyone to stop buying GME and to buy fractional shares of blue chips?
bro.
That's true. He's true. He has a
But
point.
he literally told you to buy fractional shares of blue chips instead.
Yeah, he has a point.
You know, I think after
What
hours
is
might be
blue
a good time to
chips?
buy chip.
Blue chips are like stable stocks, like Microsoft, Amazon, Boeing.
Disney.
Big companies.
You have to keep in
30%.
mind what kind of audience is
Market cap.
watching TV, right? So maybe they
I
shouldn't
hope
get
Jim
in
Cramer's
day
fucking
trading,
listening to
right?
me.
So puts on FedEx and USPS.
The general population should not
Why?
get onto Robinhood
No,
and
come
day
on.
trade.
No. I think the general population should be economically competent enough to want to participate in a free market. I don't think, like you said, most people should be fucking day trading.
Shit, from half of the fucking
Learn a market,
questions
don't day
I'm
trade.
hearing from you guys, none of you motherfuckers should be fucking day trading.
True.
But
Let's
we
all
still
sell.
do.
Damn
Let's
right.
sell, man.
Welcome to WallStreetBets.
Who was here last night with the dude with 30 times leverage on fucking eToro,
Dude,
trading completely
y'all
on margin?
realize you can learn how to do like credit spreads and shit like that, like fucking on YouTube.
Yeah, bro.
Like
Straight up
there's
legal calls, bro.
there's like
You can do it on
hundreds-
paper trade. You can do it on paper money.
Yeah,
surgery
there's,
on
there's
YouTube, but should you?
hundreds of videos out there that can teach you the basics of how to trade. Like
Oh
some of
my
the
God, you guys
questions
don't
that I'm
know the
hearing from you guys
basics.
is just like fucking
You guys don't
Right.
even know the basics. I can just
yeah.
sell right now. Yeah.
Yeah, but like people need to properly like learn or you know,
I don't
do it because
I don't
otherwise,
yeah.
if they hear about GME in the news and then get in and try that, then it's already far too late, and they like end up the back holders, which might be profitable for you guys and a lot of other people. But I mean, that's kind of the dump money, which just wasted.
I feel like the personality that would jump into a stock, they know nothing about the market, never traded before, off of pure hype, is the same type of personality that will like buy into a pyramid scheme. I'm not blaming them, but I don't.
I've been
like it's kind of
I've been
dumb.
trading for like 3 or 4 years, and I started like learning with like YouTube videos and shit. But a lot of people that start and are in Wall Street Bets just are. It's like a lottery ticket to them, you know. Either they're gonna win it or fucking lose it all, and they know that. Yeah.
But
So
that's
I
the
think we
difference
should
between
sell.
speculation
And that's okay.
I've only been
My
studying
friend does the
trading
same
for like
thing.
a year and a half, and I didn't get into like, yeah.
That's a good point.
Yeah, and I was trading paper money the whole time because I was too scared to put real money in the market and shit. Like that Tesla share was like my first stock I ever bought.
I have
me too.
thousands of dollars in the market, and I still paper trade.
Power
Like,
hour in 1 minute.
Paper
you
trading is
never
fucking
stop-
fun, man.
You never stop learning. You never stop learning.
Yeah.
Like
But
y-
somebody
a good way is like to paper trade the exact opposite of how you traded to see how it played out the other way.
Exactly.
So who has paper trading for options?
Weeple does.
I
Weeble
think
for options?
Thinkorswim has paper trading options, right?
Oh, badass.
I think we should all do paper trading and forget about this.
Yeah,
Nah,
options
some of
kick
you
my ass.
motherfuckers definitely deserve to lose money.
Bro, it's not fun and it's not
I'm
real
sorry.
money.
I'm
It's like
sorry.
playing poker with no money on the
I was
line.
about to say, you
Yeah,
know, like
that's
that, yeah, you know, the fucking little app.
I'm not happy, but like
who cares? I'll lose it all.
But like if
I'm
if
not
you're,
upset
if
at
you're,
any of my losses because they were never more money than, you know, I was okay with losing, and I never did the same dumb shit twice. At least not yet. I haven't been trading that long, like I said.
never bet more than you can lose.
I mean, that's really the trick. As long as you,
That's
I mean, if you don't care about the
So
loss,
long as
there
you're
you go.
yeah, like you walk into a casino, right? You say, okay, my limit's $50. Okay, you do the same thing with the fucking stock market. You know, like say, you know, my limit's like $100.
You do a bump for Coco, you rally, you fucking throw that debit card on the table.
Is anyone in here? Is anyone in
I mean,
here?
if you could set a limit, why would you gamble?
Is
though?
anyone in here confused about options trading? That just like I could send you a video that I learned from.
I would appreciate
Yes.
it.
Yeah,
please
send
I
me.
would 100% appreciate it.
I'm brand new to options trading. I'd take any other advice I can get because I fucked up a bit.
I'm the dude streaming. Just shoot me a message.
Where's the video?
I don't know shit about options. I'm trying to learn.
Yeah, it's like it's not my video, but I think a lot of people have used it and it helped me out. So like, I'm the dude streaming. Just shoot me a DM. I'll help you out.
What do you got?
YouTube and search in the money.
Yeah, I was gonna say in the money. He's legit.
Yeah,
Or
in
just
the
look
money
it up
is-
on YouTube, man.
if you
like,
wanna,
Like
if you
a lot of the spreads you guys are talking about, or like, you know, buying puts and calls at the same time. I've never tried. I've only just covered calls and like buying the calls. Actually, that shit like seems way too complicated for me. But if you could explain it, that'd be dope.
I mean, In the Money does a really good job of explaining it.
That's the YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Alright, Power Hour started.
Power hour.
Right.
I got you.
Alright.
I'm sending you guys the
If it closes above 180, I will eat my jeans.
options video.
Thanks,
Yeah, that
homie.
options video. Okay, and listen, that options video is talking about exercising options. So and then it's talking about exercising options. But remember, you're not actually doing that. You're just kind of scalping the premium.
And selling the contracts, I guess.
Yeah.
Who here is ready for HCMC tomorrow?
Fucking right. I literally just bought somewhere last night.
Because they're not.
That lawsuit, bro.
The pump, the HCMC pump.
Yeah, the CEO.
Listen, it's not a pump. It's not a
The
pump.
CEO owns about 11 billion shares of HCMC. So it doesn't make sense because if HCMC ends up going to $1, does that mean the CEO would have $11 billion?
No. They would do a reverse split. They do a share buyback.
Okay.
So basically, like they might do like 1,000 to 1 reverse split or something
Why do
like
you
that.
think? Why do you think
would
it's gonna
still
go to
make
$1?
just as much money.
Why do you think HCMCs will go up?
No. I'm getting out at
Because-
25 cents. I think it's gonna go up because of that lawsuit.
Because
I mean, they
have
got a good chance of winning.
against Philip Morris. So I think HCMC is suing Philip Morris for some reason.
Where
are you guys
buying HCMC at?
Yeah, it was a patent violation.
I think the $1 price target is fucking retarded. Yahoo Finance at $6, and that's laughable. If I can get to 20 to 25 cent, like we could all be rich from that.
How many shares do you have?
So
I
you're
have
saying
about
it's
60 shares.
that would be 100x.
Exactly.
Wait, what makes you think it'll go up there, dude? And in how long of a time frame?
Give us your due diligence.
Bro, what stock?
Yeah, what the fuck? Where is this coming
He's
from?
pulling numbers out of his ass. That's where it's coming from.
No, I'm not.
Same
No,
place
hold
where he
on.
got
I
that
can link the
COVID
article in
test.
the chat. I can link the article in the chat. They literally today is the day that Philip Morris has responded to a lawsuit. The trial could drag out for months. So I don't know how long into that
Are
price
you
target.
talking
But
about
there's a better,
HCMC? Are you talking
yeah,
about HCMC? Bro,
no HCMC.
there is
And there's a
100
better
billion
chance.
shares.
There's a better chance.
There is 100 billion shares, bro. You're not gonna get
I
that
said they would
fucking
have to
profit.
reverse split.
Bro, you're
Anytime an OTC goes close to $1, there's a reverse split.
Yeah, but you're not gonna get
But-
the gains people are thinking they're gonna get, bro.
But if they do a
I don't
reverse
expect to. I
split-
said I'm getting out at 20 cent. 20 cent is very doable. Especially if they
I'm
win this
still
lawsuit.
confused. What do you see in this company that makes it like that where the market cap will increase 100-fold?
Wait, the market cap is at 300 million, right? No, like 400 million. That's quite low for a company. So if they win the lawsuit,
Yeah, 213 million. So you think that this company is gonna be worth?
If they win the lawsuit, then they get royalties.
Yeah.
If they get the lawsuit, then they get royalties. And if they don't win the lawsuit, and if this drags out the trial, they can file for an injunction, which means that Philip Morris has to stop selling that product until the trial is over. Or Philip Morris could just buy them out because it'd be cheaper to buy this small fucking penny stock than it would be to continue to drag this shit out in court or risk losing.
Well,
Either
wait,
one
wait,
of
wait,
those.
wait.
Either
So
one
you
of
think
those
this
options.
company, this can be a $2 billion company?
Whoa.
20. It would be
What
$20
company are you
billion.
guys talking about? What's the symbol?
HCMC. So basically, tomorrow, Philip Morris has to respond to the lawsuit. That's basically what it means.
How much would you put down? Just like $100.
Listen to me. You can look at Yahoo Finance. You can look at. I'm like making this shit up. People have been tracking this for like a couple of months now.
I'm gonna put $6 in it.
Yeah, but like over 100% increase.
That's too
Like,
hard.
100 times. He's saying 100 times. That's like a
It's more than
10,000%.
100%, bro. Are you dumb?
Dude, no.
That's 10,000%, bro.
Over a single lawsuit? No.
No, because the whole gig is that if
Bruh,
tomorrow
if
Philip
it
Morris has to
goes
respond to the
to
lawsuit,
10 cents, I'm good. I'm not expecting it to go to $1. 25 cent, 20
It was
cents,
at-
10 cent. I'm in the money.
What is the lawsuit for?
It's for copyright infringement.
a patent infringement.
For what?
Yeah, they've got a heatless coil for like jewels and vapes, so it makes heat, but it doesn't like make any vapor, so you're not getting all those metallic particles in your throat and shit.
Yeah.
And Philip Morris has a product that's been using that for a while now, so their old royalties, if they win this, or if they settle out of court, they'll just get a fat ass check. And it's good news.
What
that
where do you buy this stock? I
it's
can
an
view it on
OTC. You
Google,
can't
but I
buy it on Robinhood.
Just don't.
It's over the counter, isn't it?
Just don't go around.
I'm not killing this. I'm just excited about it. Don't buy it. Shit, I'll be happy.
But don't yesterday.
Bro, I've
You
heard
showed
that
it yesterday,
stock is
bro.
Stay away from
like,
fucking
You
OTC.
showed
man.
it
That's a good way
last
to get
night,
fucked up.
bro. I swear you were shilling it last night too, bro. The fuck.
He's trying to steal your money.
Hey, what's
Bro.
the ticker name that you guys are talking about?
Nothing.
Penny
Bro,
stock doom.
You already know
The
he's
ticker symbol was
losing
BBC.
money, bro.
The ticker symbol was BBC.
Losing money.
You probably
This
bought. You
stock
probably
used to be
bought
like
in.
$10,000.
I've literally lost more money on GME today than I did on that investment.
And I'm gonna take your advice on this shitty penny stock.
Nah, don't buy that. That's a
I
fucking
didn't even bring it up.
But where would someone even buy it though? That's the question.
What's the name of it?
TD Ameritrade.
Yeah, most
They
of the
allow
large
you to
brokers
buy
can do it.
Didn't
This is over the
212
counter.
limit
It's
trading
on Fidelity.
of penny stocks today?
No,
It's on Fidelity.
Yeah, Fidelity let you do it.
So wait. If you think this will go to like 20 cents, then what's It's just someone that just put like 10 grand in there.
No. Why would you?
Well, then do you
never put
believe it
10
or
grand
not?
into
You
it.
think you'll go to?
Not
You think you'll
listening to this
100x?
fucking animal trying to
So if you put
settle
10
his
grand,
This
it
is
should at
not
least
a
10x, right?
No, I do not have that much faith in this company. I literally said earlier, I don't ever invest more than I'm okay with losing.
Hey,
And if I
someone
lost
just
more in
spot
GME today than I did on this stake, then
How do
I
you
need
think
to
it's gonna 100x?
How can you think it's gonna 100x and you're not confident it can 2x or even
Hey,
survive?
insider
one?
Because you're trying to steal your money real quick. It's a fucking
I
dumb.
said I'm not confident throwing $1,000 in it.
Bro,
That's
how
what I
can
said.
you be confident that it will 100x, but you're not
He
confident
literally
it can 2x?
called it the pump.
How are you
At
confident
first,
it will
he
survive?
called it the
when you're
pump.
Yeah, that's
confident it will
his
100x?
point.
Do you realize
How can you be
insane that
confident if
is?
it's gonna pump so
This
hard?
reminds me of like Xbox Live Party chats back in like 2005.
Yeah, but this retard is actually trying to steal your money though.
Hey, HCMC.
No, he's probably down money
so
on the stock.
basically,
Don't even look up the ticker. I obviously struck a nerve.
Probably down money on the
wait,
stock, bro.
I invested
It's
when
okay.
it was 0.0.
Okay.
why I'm in this
Okay.
channel.
Wait.
Don't even look
Hold
up the ticker.
Hold on. So
Y'all been
it's
showing
it's
HCMC
it's
forever.
one
Trying to rob
thing.
you, motherfuckers.
It's one thing to bring up a stock that you're interested in and that you feel could like increase in value and stuff like that. It's another thing to say that a penny stock worth literally nothing is going to 100x in value and like essentially make you rich and anybody else that
No,
invests.
the
There's a lot of
You can't if you're
Hold
gonna
on.
pump if
They've
you're gonna
been
pump a
showing Dogecoin in here all weekend. I don't want to hear that.
if you're gonna
That's a
pump
fair
a
point.
stock,
That's a fair point.
don't call it a pump.
The only reason they're saying that is because after the lawsuit, if Philip Morris end up buying HCMC as a company, technically speaking, HCMC's market cap would have gone up.
100x?
Maybe not 100x, but it would definitely go up.
Yahoo Finance said $6. I said
No,
20
like,
cents.
there's people putting like thousands of dollars in it, holding it to $1. Like this is retarded.
This is literally Doge.
I bought it at $0.009.
It's literally
Yo, they are shorting the fuck out of XRT right now. If you guys are looking at that, look at that $100 wall right now on XRT. That's crazy. XRT is actually dropping like a motherfucker right now.
So I suggest people buy I'm not saying you should. I'm not advising you, but buy it because I bought it when it was at $0.0009. So you could like a pound would have given you like 300 shares.
Meanwhile,
And if that
GME is negative 50% on me right now.
I want to say that I'm from Sweden.
Half of them can't buy OTC.
Oh, right, okay. But if it does touch like 20 cents or 25 cents, then you are still making a lot of profit.
That's a big if. Like who's saying it'll 100
The only thing is if tomorrow
gambling.
Tomorrow,
look. Make no mistake. I understand it. This is a lottery ticket. This is a lottery ticket that's got something going for it. This lawsuit is a small catalyst. You keep saying, "Oh, it's not going to 100 times." If it doesn't, that's fine.
Fucking pump and dump. Holy fuck! Get me out of
the
here.
only thing is if tomorrow
Bro,
Philip Morris,
like, why are you still shilling it, bro? Like, I don't understand.
If Philip Morris don't respond tomorrow, then yeah, you should probably just hold it.
Yo, what's the market cap on this penny stock? I just want to know.
The last time I checked, it was like
sub 500.
500K?
No, 200.
213 million.
213
last time I checked,
million
like
with
400.
100 billion outstanding shares.
Their lawsuits tomorrow, so we have to wait, see what Philip Morris has to say, because some lawsuits end up being dragged out for like 4
If they
years.
reverse split, you're not gonna ever get a 100x. Like, you're not gonna.
And like I wonder, like the reverse split doesn't mean that then of course you have maybe 4 times less shares, but each share is 4 times more in price. Isn't that the case? I mean,
No,
of
but
course
you don't
there's
gain money. You don't
movement.
gain money for the reverse
Yeah,
split.
Splits don't gain or lose
so
money,
people
but like when
thinking
there's a
they're gonna-
reverse split, that's a sign of a company dying.
Yeah, bro. People
And
thinking
like-
it
like
won't
the-
10x.
It looks bad.
If it reverse splits, it won't 10x. It won't 5x. You might
like
get a 2x. That's it.
maybe it's only confused with a buyback, because if they have that much shares and they are relatively low, maybe some owner or investor can raise capital from other sources to buy back all the shares and take the company private again, right? Maybe from cash they get from the patent case or whatever, right? And then like investors and share owners get excited because maybe they get something out of it. But I don't know how exactly that works and if that's profitable. I heard people say that they usually are suspicious because usually you get less than you hope for with the gambling and speculation, except maybe if the company is down and there's something to gain from it. I don't know. And
I know
also,
what you're
I don't know
holy
if
shitting at.
over the counter is actually that necessarily traded on the exchange, except from, like, I mean, sure, you have it tied into your apps, but like,
Bro,
I
it's
don't
a
know if you...
shit stock.
AMC's tanking right now.
No financial advice.
I might buy some more AMC at $8.
What's a shit stock?
HCMC is a shit stock.
It's not even showing up on my broker.
Dude, the HCMC people come in here every single day around this time.
Bro, because there's fucking stupid, bro. If it reverse splits, the price of the shares are gonna go up and you're gonna have less chance of even fucking 2xing or 3xing. You're never gonna 100x. Like,
That's
use
the
your
price
fucking
per
brain.
share, but you then also have less shares. So, I mean...
Wait, I don't understand. Why would a company need to reverse split?
Because they have
They're
like
too low in
billions and they
value.
want...
Their
They have
shares are worth very
100
little.
billion shares, bro. It will never get to $1. It will never get anything higher. It's 100 billion shares.
That is a trash company.
Because I read that the CEO owns 11 billion shares already. So if he reverse splits, what does that mean for him?
It doesn't do
Nothing.
anything.
Half the shares, twice the value. What the fuck?
Combines the shares.
Oh, okay.
It
Okay, yeah.
reduces shares, so it makes, like, just say 5 shares into 1 share. Okay, it
So
it
it's sort
makes
of
it less
compresses it.
possible to 5x. People think it's gonna 5x because it's under a penny, but when they merge the fucking shares, then it has less chance at 5 or 10xing or whatever bullshit they're saying.
Does anybody know what's going on with AMC right now?
It's following GameStop.
Dumping it.
Oof, yeah, AMC is
Yeah, it's
tanking
doing the exact same as
870.
GameStop.
It's gonna go back up. These are people that are getting out because they think that they broke even and they're dumping out of it, but it's
Yeah,
gonna
it's the day
fucking
traders.
bounce
These
back.
Yeah, these are non-holders.
I'm gonna buy more at this dip on AMC.
I think it'll get down to like 7, maybe.
I'm just
No,
getting
yeah, I
flashbacks
don't
to
think it'll
silver.
go that low.
I think $8 is the bottom right now.
Yeah, 8 is.
I'm getting
is
flashback
not
to
so.
silver.
Just stop speculating,
Buy
guys.
silver.
No, that's triggering.
The old
I lost like 10,000. I lost like $10,000 with the first pump. Not this recent one, but like the one last year.
yeah,
Why the fuck is the
750
entire
for
market
sure.
dropping other than like AMC?
Bond yield, the treasury yield suddenly
Yep,
jumped.
that.
That's
Say
why
that
my
one more time. My ears
is
are
going up.
My ears.
The treasury yield suddenly jumped, so all the boomers freaked the f out.
Gotcha.
Yeah, do you think they're gonna try to trade like last minute like they did yesterday? Or
Yeah,
is that just me?
Probably.
it's gonna happen again, bro.
Fucking hopefully.
I'm gonna buy this dip. Like 750 seems like it's the bottom for AMC.
No.
I just wanted to save my profits.
No.
I'm not losing money, but
Yo,
I want
guys,
to keep those profits.
$8 is the bottom.
Guys, why did
It's gonna test 8, but 750 is for sure the bottom.
guys, why is XRT popping the fuck off all of a sudden?
Because it has GameStop in it.
Alright, boys, just join back.
It's an ETF with
the play.
GameStop in it.
Yeah, no, I was just shorted like so heavy like 2 seconds ago. Now it's like super up now. It's crazy.
Boys, give me the briefing.
We're all gonna die.
Diamond hands, boys.
Dying.
Go ahead and give me the
We're all gonna
12
die!
PM briefing.
Yeah, I'm gonna play my
Guys,
simulators.
I
while
think I
this
just heard
goes
the
on.
Earth shift.
Yeah, that's a huge ass rocket.
Is that your mom?
Possibly.
Excuse me?
Selling at 130. Taking my
Excuse
profits and
me?
running.
Sorry, I was just clapping your mom's cheeks.
Oh, thank God! I was scared for a second. I thought a rocket took off.
Thank God, I thought someone was fucking my wife for like a second.
Say, do any of you guys play simulation games like on Steam and stuff?
Oh, Kerbal Space Program, fuck a lot of shit.
The only real one I played.
Assetto Corsa, baby. Assetto Corsa.
Dad in the shower.
Have you guys tried out the Dyson Sphere program? That thing's like crack cocaine, dude.
Yeah.
I've heard about that
Dyson
and
Sphere.
like Valheim or whatever the fuck it's called. And
I heard
Eco.
Valheim was
That's a game about a fucking vacuum?
That's what I thought. Right? The fucking Dyson company.
I kid.
It just looked
don't-
too
No,
like
no, not
it looked
Dyson's
too
backwards, though.
cartoonish for me. I don't know. It looked
I
too
don't get why.
Okay. Let me get in some Halo. Day's about to end.